Hello everyone, I would like to show you my installation of the Apollo 3.5 ton air to water heat pump from MB Tech. I had the unit installed for about 3 weeks now. It's the end of January 2024. Um, I bought the unit in November, then it got delivered. I had it sitting outside on a pallet with a piece of roofing over it for a few weeks before I actually got it installed. So let's go outside and take a look at the outside, heat pump. Um, don't mind the mess. I'm still under full construction in the house. I'm living in it since September 2023. But it is still under construction. So first thing, I built a roof attached to the side of the house over it, so snow wouldn't fall on the unit. It's pretty good off the ground. um, One issue I had was mice got into the shipping crate and chewed up a lot of the insulation around the pipes on the inside here, so I had to go back in and spray foam around these pipes, around the fittings back there. You still see the shreds of insulation, so that's something I had to take care of. So you take the main cover off this guy right here. It's just a few screws there, and then there's another cover here. You take those 4 screws off to get to the electrical components. So I ran my wire in, coming in here, going in here, and then you have 120, and the ground. So the whole unit runs on 240 volts. The only other thing I hooked up was a hot wire from terminal 1 here that goes to the circulator pump inside that circulates the glycol water from the outdoor unit to my buffer tank inside. Other than that, this conduit hole runs the Wi-Fi cable, the controller cable, the temperature sensor for the buffer tank. It all goes through that conduit into the house. And then these are obviously the insulated 1-inch PEX pipe that circulates the water glycol. So it's pretty easy. The unit comes with the 2 fittings, 1 by 1, 1 inch by 1 inch male fittings, and then I just put stainless steel flexible water hose connectors. Screwed onto here, screwed about here onto the PEX fitting. So PEX line is coming into here, and then this section is just the water hose connector. So I can easily disconnect and connect things if I need to change stuff. So the unit just turned off because it was satisfied temperature-wise. My bedroom is right up there. I can't really hear the unit. I mean, it's pretty quiet, so I'm fairly happy with that. Mounted on the platform, and then there is a threaded connection right in here that I just screwed a poly fitting in and a little bit of leftover PEX to drain the condensate out. Because obviously you can see like the fins are icing up. When it goes through the defrost cycle, all that ice is going to melt and turn into water and drain right out here. And it's just like a river pouring down every defrost cycle. This is just also from the rain right now, but it was just a huge sheet of ice here. So it works pretty well. The drainage, everything is great. Let's go inside and show you the inside.